Welcome. If you've ever scrolled through Facebook on your computer and spotted a post you want to save for later, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to mark a post as interested on Facebook using the latest update. This is a super handy way to keep track of posts you want to revisit, whether it's an event, a cool product, or just something you want to remember. Let's dive right in. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your newsfeed and all your favorite groups and pages. Once you're on Facebook, start scrolling through your feed or visit the group or page where you saw the post you're interested in. Take your time and find that specific post you want to mark. It could be an event announcement, a sale, or even a post from a friend that caught your eye. Now look closely at the top right corner of the post. You'll see 3 small dots lined up horizontally. That's the menu button for the post. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This will open up a list of options related to that specific post. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Interested. With the new update, Facebook has made it easier than ever to keep track of posts by simply clicking this option. Once you select Interested, Facebook will save the post for you. You can always come back to it later by visiting your saved section, which is found in the menu on the left side of your Facebook homepage. And that's it. You've just marked a post as interested on Facebook using your PC. This simple feature is perfect for staying organized and never missing out on anything important. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy Facebook tips. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.